you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new watching this video, you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 10,000 subscribers, which is insane. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. Around about 2 years ago, I created my own Lush tag here on my channel, and so many of you guys actually did it, and I was so thankful, and I loved watching all your videos. So I thought, why not do another one? This is going to be my 2022 Lush tag, and I'm so excited. So without further ado, I am going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So the first question is, what was the most recent Lush product you bought? And this is quite a hard one for me to answer because I do both of the subscription boxes, so I don't really go into Lush all that often and do kind of a big haul or anything. However, apart from the subscription boxes, I think it was probably that bath bomb launch that we had at the end of December-ish time when unicorn poop, diamond dust and all that came out. I think that was the last thing I bought, but technically it was a subscription box, so it depends on how you want to look at it. But yeah, that was the last thing I actually bought from Lush. The next question is, what is the worst Lush product you have ever tried? Now, I have done many a video on the worst Lush products, products that I hate, products that are not worth your money, and I feel like by now you guys know all of the things, but for me, Cosmetic Warrior, not a vibe. A few of you would think I'd say Aquamarina, but I've actually never used Aquamarina because I cannot get past the smell. However, I have used Cosmetic Warrior, and the smell alone is enough to make me want to take that face mask and just like launch it 75 miles away from my house. So yeah, Cosmetic Warrior for sure. I know it's amazing, but I just can't get past the smell, so I don't use it. The next question is, what is your most favourite Lush item of all time? Now, this is a really hard question because I have so many products that I absolutely love and that I use every single week on my hair, on my skin, on my body, like Plum Rain, new shampoo bar, Roots hair treatment. Those three, I mean, Mask of Magdaminty, cup of coffee, I could go on. So it's a really hard question for me to answer. However, I think my absolute favourite has to be new shampoo bar, only because it is the product that I find gives me the best results and the most noticeable results. So I would have to say new shampoo bar. However, I love Mask of Mag, cup of coffee, Roots hair treatment, Plum Rain, all of that stuff. But I'm gonna have to go with new shampoo bar. It is my ultimate OG favourite. So I'm gonna have to go with that one. Oh, Marilyn hair treatment as well. So underrated. If you're blonde, thank me later. It's amazing. The next question is bath bombs or bubble bars? Now, this is a hard question. I feel like I've tried to make these questions hard for myself. I don't know why, but I love bath bombs and bubble bars. I like them on their own. I like them mixed together. Bath bombs I love because you get the whole experience. I feel like a bath bomb is the whole vibe of the bath, do you know what I mean? But with bubble bars, you get more for your money. You still get colour, you still get fragrance. But if I had to give up one, which would I give up? That is the hard question. I've made this really difficult because I cannot answer my own question. I think I would have to give up bubble bars, only because I feel like I could use a different bubble bath with a bath bomb if I wanted to, whereas I haven't found another company that does a bath bomb that's just as incredible as the Lush ones. So I think I'd have to give up bubble bars, which breaks my heart saying it, but I think that's what I'd have to get rid of. So bath bombs is my answer. The next question is, which of the face masks changed your life? Now, I love a Lush face mask. This is the problem. I love too many of them. Mask of Mag, Beauty Sleep and Cup of Coffee, you guys know, are my ultimate top three. However, since using the Fresh and Flowers boxes, I use the Fresh ones so much, which makes this really hard to pick. However, I am going to have to stick with my OG and go for Mask of Magdaminty because that face mask just works wonders for my skin, and I have not found another face mask that does such good things as that one for me, so I'm gonna have to go with that. But I love all of them so much, apart from Cosmetic Warrior because that one is gross. So I'm gonna have to go with Mask of Mag, I think. Yes. Yeah. The next question is, what is the cheapest Lush item that you have ever bought? Now, this is hard because Lush items have definitely escalated in the price department over the past few years. However, I would have to say the cheapest one I've ever bought was probably, I've got a few. Ickle Baby Bop, when I bought that, I think that was literally like £1.95. So it was really inexpensive. I don't know how much that one is now, but I swear it was that cheap before. If not, obviously I've had the cucumber eye patches, which are £3. So it would be one of those dependent on the price. But I think it was Ickle Baby Bot, you know, for £1.95, so absolute bargain. Back in the day it's probably like £20 now, but here we are. The next question is, which Lush product could you not live without? Now I wrote this in there because obviously it could be read as your favourite, but this is more like your daily routine. What product do you use on the regular that you would not want to get out of your kind of beauty regime? And for me, I would have to say Roots hair treatment, because I absolutely love that hair treatment so much. I put it just on the scalp and it tingles and it makes my scalp feel so clean and fresh and amazing, and I absolutely love it. So if you haven't tried it, honestly, I highly recommend it. If you want your hair to grow, Roots hair treatment new shampoo bar, the duo of dreams. I am telling you, it's so good. But yeah, Roots hair treatment for me, definitely, I could not live without that. The next question is, what is your favourite scent family from Lush? Now that is a hard one again, because you guys know I could list off a million fragrances that I love, like Golden Wonder, which is obviously the Celebrate scent family, Twilight, now you've got Sleepy, there's just so many, Plum Rain, Lord of Misrule. It's a really hard thing to choose. I would have to say, oh, it's hard, it's a toss-up between Lord of Misrule and Twilight, because as much as I love Plum Rain, I love the shower gel so much, but I can't imagine wanting it in like a body lotion. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go with Lord of Misrule. I know what you're thinking. You thought I was going to say Sleepy, but can you imagine a Lord of Misrule candle in like Halloween vibes? Oh, incred. So yeah, Lord of Misrule, but Sleepy is definitely up there. So if I could have two, I'd pick Sleepy as well, but I'm going to go with Lord of Misrule. The next question is, what is the most expensive item that you have bought from Lush? So that's a singular item, one product, not a haul, just one. And for me, I think it was probably, what was it? Magical Moringa. Do you remember that? That was that facial moisturiser that was a beautiful primer for the skin. Do I even still have that? I think I ran out of that, which is really sad, but it was absolutely stunning. It was like mattifying and amazing, and I think that was around £35, which is gross. So yeah, I think that was it. Or $1 Million Moisturiser. Beautiful, gorgeous as well, stunning. Those three are my absolute faves, but yeah, I think it was Magical Moringa, because I don't remember ever buying Gorgeous. I think I just had a sample because I couldn't do it to myself, but yeah, I think it was that. I can't remember, but I think so. And last but by no means least is, who do you tag to do this video? Now I tag every single one of you. So if you have a YouTube channel, please do this video. I think you guys can tag me in them. I'm not actually sure how that works, but tag me in the video or send it to me or anything like that, because I would absolutely love to watch your responses to this video. And if you don't do YouTube or you do TikTok, obviously do it on TikTok or do it on Instagram, or even just do it in the comments below, because I would love to see your guys' answers to these questions, because that is why I love tag videos. I'm just really nosy. So yeah, please leave your answers in the comments below. But I'm gonna go. I hope you guys have the best day. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.